Research Day 1. Today we are going to be answering the essential question, what does good research look like? Today in class, although I am not there with you, the expectation is that you are having a successful day of research. So, what do I expect? I'm going to show you a little bit about what we talked about yesterday. Step 1 of this project is that you are going to be undergoing thorough research of your topic that addresses the following questions, including the topic, what is it? The history of the topic, as well as the significance, impact, and connection to today. All of this can be found in the assignment on Schoology titled Part 1 Research Notes. It looks like this. The expectation today is that you will be compiling research, primarily most likely in the topic and history sections, from the resources that I've provided. The research itself should not be paraphrased. It should be directly from the sources. It should be really specific with quotes, data, names, dates. It should not be a summary of what you're learning. It should just be the compilation of research. I should see bulleted lists of information. Where will you start? On your research notes, you'll see that they are due this Friday before school. You can click on any of these links to get started. If your topic is a person, you're most likely going to click where it says biography and context. If your topic is a thing or a battle or even a group of people, you're most likely going to start here. There's also this excellent resource called ABC Clio, which covers all of that, just a little bit of a bigger database. Between those three resources, you should have absolutely everything you need to cover, especially the topic section and the history section, which is what you're working on today. In the history section in particular, you need to focus on key figures, so who was involved, context, what was happening within the nation or war effort while your topic was most relevant, and the impact. Why was the topic significant during the time? What was the short-term impact of your topic? So because of the decisions made by, for example, the person you're studying, what happened? That's the main goal. If you happen to get to the connection to today section, you may start that, but that one's a little bit trickier because you have to figure out why you think your topic matters today. We're going to go through that most likely tomorrow in class, but if you get to that point, feel free to try to sort of knock that out as well. Now, here are some good examples of research from this project in the past. Keep in mind, this was a different topic. It was about amendments. So for example, you'll notice this student color-coded, answered the questions thoroughly. This way you can do the same thing with your research notes, but you'll notice it's bulleted list with years, names, dates. All of that is great information for this project. Both of these would get that person a 4. Okay? Just a reminder, we have research today, tomorrow, and Thursday. It is due before class on Friday. Your goal today is to complete as much of the history section as you can, and please keep track of your sources somewhere. If you copy and paste the links, that's super helpful. Just put them at the bottom of your research notes somewhere. All right, good luck. Have a great day.